Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox the Omron blood pressure monitor, and this is the 10th series one. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the Omron blood pressure monitor, the actual machine itself. So again, this is a 10 series upper arm monitor. The main or the core features are it supports Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can connect your Android or iOS device with this monitor to get additional information using the free Omron app. It can detect irregular heartbeat if you have that kind of problem. It supports two user modes, meaning that it can store data for two different users in its memory. It also has comparison display screen and AC adapter. So it supports for alkaline batteries. So you can use batteries, or you can AC adapter, or you can use both. So let's say if you do not have batteries, you can connect it directly with the AC adapter, or if you want to take it somewhere, you can use the alkaline batteries if they are charged. On the top of the box, again the same thing. The model for this particular one is BP7450CAN, and that's all. On the side, it's going to have its specification, advanced accuracy, comparison display, two user mode, and so on. On the back we have the same things but in a different language. So let's just simply open the box, and in the box you're going to have different contents. First of all, you're going to have some user manual and guides, which I highly recommend that you read at least the smaller one, because it's going to show you how you can use the display how you can use the machine and how you can monitor your blood pressure. So again, you have these two ones because they are in different languages, and again you have a full book telling how you can connect with Bluetooth and so on. If you are interested in how you can connect it with Bluetooth with your smartphone, I have already made a video. A box will appear right here. Other than that, you're going to get your arm cuff. Here we have the Omron branding, you can see right here, and for the first time it's going to be a little bit hard. And here you're going to have your actual air pipes as well. Other than that, we're going to have our actual Omron blood monitor as well. But before that, let's see what's else in the box. So you're going to have 4 alkaline batteries, or simply AA size cells. You're going to have your adapter as well. As you can see right here, again it is optional to use the adapter, or it is optional to use the batteries, but they recommend that you have the batteries inside the machine and then use the adapter. I think the input is 100 to 40 volts, and that's it. So here is the actual Omron blood pressure monitor as well. On the front you have your screen, which is not a touch screen, it's just a simple display. Here you have your two buttons, your profiles to move from profile 2 to profile 1, your start stop button. On the side you have your power adapter input. On the other side you're going to connect your air pipe or for the air arm cuff. On the back you're going to simply open it, and here you're going to insert your 4 alkaline cells that are provided. As you can see right here, Omron recommends to use the same battery cells company. Like if it's from Maxell, you should use the Maxell, or if you're using any other brand, for all the 4 cells should be of the same brand. And here on the top you have the Bluetooth icon if you want to first of all set the date time on the machine, or if you want to connect with your smart devices. The date will only remain in the machine if you have inserted the cells. If you're not going to use the cells, then the date will be resetted every time you power on the machine. So in order to connect the arm cuff, it's pretty simple. Just get the pipe. Here you're going to see it right here. You're going to insert it, and you're going to hear this click sound, which means that it has been attached securely. For this video I am not going to use the alkaline cells, I'm going to directly connect the power adapter, but I highly recommend that you use the alkaline batteries if you're going to move a lot with this blood pressure monitor. So in order to take a blood pressure reading, first of all you're not going to power on the machine. First of all, we're going to apply our arm cuff onto our left arm. So it's going to go something like that. almost at the same level of your heart, and once it is in place you're going to snap it into place. Make sure that the pipe is at the top side, as you can see on my left arm. So now you're going to plug in the power adapter if you're using the power adapter or through the cells, and if you want to power on the machine you're going to click on this memory button right here. It's going to first of all show you the memory, and you need to select whether you want to go to user profile 2 or you want to go with user profile 1 if you have two different persons in your home. And you can see it's showing some values because I have checked my blood pressure just to check these values and the memory functions. Anyways, for your case, if it is a very first time, all of these things will be empty. And now you're just simply going to click on the start stop button, and if it is not starting here you can just click on the button again and the process should start. And here are the results. So my current systolic blood pressure is 115, diastolic is 64, and my pulse is 63. And if you have taken any recent measurements, it's going to show in the prior section right here. And if you have taken multiple readings, you can click on the memory button and you can move forward and backward with these different memory values. But for now I have these two latest values. So in this way you can use it, and in order to power off the machine just simply click on the stop button and it will power off. You're going to have this little blinking icon on the top right side which is a memory indicator, as this machine can only store I think 100 recordings. After that those previous recordings will be deleted. So if you want to keep a full backup of your recordings you can download their app and connect with it, and in this way all of your data will be stored on your phone via the app. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Omron blood monitor. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.